Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm sharing with you a foolproof method to make Sabudana Khichdi that is soft, fluffy and not at all sticky or mushy. So let's get started. Here are the ingredients you'll need. Sabudana of course, and here are the soaked and strained sabudana. I took 1 cup of sabudana and I chose the bigger sized pearls, which is best for khichdi. Rinsed it a couple of times to remove the excess starch. And with sabudana, you'll never have the water run totally clear. You just need to remove the excess starch till it runs mostly clear. And then strain off the excess water. I then soaked this 1 cup sabudana in 1 cup of fresh water for about 8 hours. Depending on the type of sabudana you have, you may need a little less water and the soaking time might also vary slightly. Usually you'll need anywhere from 3/4 to 1 cup of water for every cup of sabudana and 6 to 10 hours of soaking time. Just experiment a little to see what works for you. After you've given it enough time to soak, test to see if it is done, for which just take a couple of pearls of sabudana and smash it between your thumb and index finger. If it smashes easily, it's ready. Finally, just strain off the excess water if there is any. There usually isn't, but I never skip this step because it really helps to avoid sticky and mushy khichdi later on. So that's the soaked and strained sabudana. Then you need 6 tablespoons of roasted peanut powder. I usually have this on hand, but if you don't, you can just dry roast some peanuts and crush it in the mixie or even using a mortar and pestle right before making the khichdi. 3 tablespoons of ghee, half teaspoon cumin seeds, 8 to 10 curry leaves, 2 chopped green chilies or even use slit chilies, 1/4 cup peanuts, half cup diced chopped boiled potatoes, and you can also go with raw potatoes. You'll just need to cut them much smaller and cook them a bit longer till they get cooked through. 3/4 teaspoons salt, 3/4 teaspoon sugar or jaggery powder, 1 to 1.5 teaspoon lemon juice, and about 1/3 cup of chopped coriander. To begin with, transfer the sabudana pearls into a wide bottomed utensil like a parat to mix in the peanut powder. And of course for this video, I had put the strained sabudana in a bowl just to show all the ingredients together. But usually I just transfer the sabudana directly from the strainer into the parat and mix in the roasted peanut powder right away. Mixing in the roasted peanut powder will also help keep the sabudana pearls separate, and so it's best to do this in a wide bottomed utensil like a parat and use a light hand so as to not break or mush the sabudana pearls while doing it. Then in a pan, lightly heat up the ghee and add in the cumin seeds and saute for a couple of minutes. When the cumin seeds start crackling, add in the curry leaves and saute for a minute or so till the curry leaves get lightly roasted. Then add in the peanuts and roast the peanuts for about 3 to 5 minutes till they get well roasted. And if you were using slit green chilies, you could have added it along with the curry leaves. But since I'm using the chopped chilies, I find it best to add them after the peanuts are done, which helps them not getting burnt. After which you can add the diced boiled potatoes and a little salt, about 1/4 teaspoon, to season at every stage, and saute for 3 to 4 minutes, which will be enough as I've already used fully cooked potatoes. Then it's time to add the sabudana mixed in with the peanut powder. And here, if you're new to making this, it's best to lower the flame a little while adding the sabudana and the rest of the ingredients like the rest of the salt, about half teaspoon, sugar or jaggery powder, and mix it in. Then add in the lemon juice, which also helps break up any clumps that might form, and the chopped coriander leaves, and you can add it all together right when you add sabudana. I spaced it out for this video, but usually I put it all together. just ensure to mix everything together with a light hand so as to not mush the sabudana pearls. Then cook covered on medium-low flame for about 3 to 5 minutes till the sabudana pearls start looking translucent. Always remembering to not overstir or overcook this. And there you have it, soft, fluffy and delicious Sabudana Khichdi. Serve it with a hot cup of chai and enjoy! For the written and printable version of this recipe, check the link in the description box below. And if you like this video, please hit the like button at the bottom of this video. It really helps me out. And subscribe if you haven't already. Until I see you again, happy cooking!